Welcome to this session of the Ecosystem Experience. Today, I will share with you how you can take advantage of the cloud products we have in the US to start or expand your business with OVHcloud. My name is Pascal Gellan. I am Senior Vice President with OVHcloud US. I am responsible for product and marketing and digital accounts. I am based in Reston, Virginia, where OVHcloud US is headquartered. It will be my pleasure today to share with you what OVHcloud has done in the US in the past 12 months to present the cloud services that are currently available in the US and what's coming up. Last, I will show you how you can easily use these services, whether you are already or not an OVHcloud customer. Let's have a quick look at our still fairly short history in the US. OVHcloud US, as you know perhaps, is a subsidiary of OVHcloud. Activities in the US started as early as 2015, but the first key milestone I want to highlight here is May 2017, with the acquisition of VMware's cloud entity called vCloud. With this acquisition, not only we acquired customers, enterprise customers, small and large, but it was also a fantastic opportunity to build a solid team of cloud experts who are now part of OVHcloud US. And from there, the growth really started. Our first US data centers of OVHcloud opened in January 2018 in Virginia, where we delivered our first dedicated servers. Not long after, we launched our second data centers in Hillsboro, Oregon, and a few months later, we launched a complete dedicated server range in both data centers. Later that summer, we added public cloud to our portfolio of services. Our public cloud region was located in Vintil, Virginia, and the US East region on the East Coast. In February 2019, we accelerated our digital growth with a specific focus on the e-commerce experience and the new website. From that date, our e-commerce really took off, and we have been seeing a continued interest for our product, which all offer a strong quality price ratio in the US. In July, we extended our dedicated server portfolio by adding our famous HG servers. These powerful servers are fully customizable and are designed to build critical and resource-intensive architectures. This brings us to this year, 2020. Earlier in January, we did a full refresh of our bare metal offers. New servers exclusive to the US for some, like our best value BV server, are packed with a lot of core and RAM and available at a very competitive price again. We also brought to the US Rise, Infrastructure Advanced, and the new game servers. Back in May this year, we also released the new VPS 2020. More recently, over the summer, we launched our new powerful hosted private cloud Premier, powered by VMware for our enterprise customers. Finally, a few weeks ago, we deployed a new public cloud region, US West. You can now build scalable and reliable redundant cloud native apps using a large set of instance and storage options. While this year has been definitely busy for OVHcloud US, it goes without saying that it has also been a very painful year for many people who have been impacted by the current coronavirus pandemic. A lot of people have lost parents and loved ones or have been sick themselves. A lot of people have lost their job or have suffered from the economic consequences of this global crisis. To help people and businesses, OVHcloud launched the Open Solidarity Initiative to support partners who are delivering business continuity services to their customers. Through these initiatives, we delivered free infrastructure to these companies to help scale and deliver their services for free. Companies like Third Lane and Minute participated in this program. These companies offer communication tools to help businesses stay connected digitally while many employees have been forced to work from home. We also supported Anycart, who delivered groceries to people who had to stay home to protect themselves. While this initiative has now ended, it gave birth to another global initiative called the Open Trusted Cloud Program that unites companies sharing the same values as OVHcloud. This program will soon be available in the US. But enough talking about OVHcloud ourselves. Let's actually have analysts do this work for us. We were very proud this year to receive not just one, but two very interesting reports from US analysts that emphasize the quality of our cloud services. First, Forrester Research with the Forrester Wave that ranked OVHcloud US as a strong performer for hosted private cloud services in North America. OVHcloud US scored the highest possible score in many of the criteria we pride ourselves in as a company, such as pricing, vision of the future, roadmap execution, and the strength of our market approach. This again shows that we are a true alternative to provide enterprise customer with reliable and scalable private cloud solution at a very competitive price. OVHcloud was also named a contender in IDC Marketscape intelligence report for its worldwide public cloud infrastructure, competing with other tier 1 cloud providers. The list is pretty impressive. IDC has highlighted some of our greatest strengths: competitive pricing again, price transparency and predictability, strong adjacent portfolio of infrastructure services, and also, of course, a strong European presence. You know, we like when analysts talk about us, of course, but you know what we like even better? When our customers talk about our cloud and how they use it to solve their technical challenges and to provide services to their customers. There are two recent also case studies that I wanted to quickly share with you here. One with Shockbyte, one of the largest game hosting providers. Shockbyte started as a Minecraft hosting company back in 2013, and since then has grown to one of the largest providers of game hosting services in the world. They have now over 160,000 customers. Shockbyte at some point needed an infrastructure that could support their growing customer base, and they found in OVHcloud the right servers to deliver their services from our data centers to their customers. What's particularly important to Shockbyte is our anti-DDoS mitigation solution, which according to them is the best one on the market. And what they like a lot as an add-on bonus, it's free. It's also worth mentioning that Shockbyte started as an OVHcloud customers and took advantage of our recent presence in the US to expand their services. Another great use case that I'd like to share with you today is the California Realtors Association. This association supports over 200,000 realtors and over 100 local associations. One of their challenges was their exorbitant and rising IT costs and having to deal with owning all of the equipment or spending tons of money on co-locations. The California Realtors Association decided that it was time for a change. They trusted OVHcloud to meet their needs. Their main operations are now housed in our Hillsboro, Oregon data center with backup and disaster recovery in our Vint Hill data center in Virginia. With this infrastructure, they know that they can safely offer their services 24/7 to their customers with minimal cost. They are now fully satisfied with their cloud architecture. Now, let's review what are the new products that we introduced this year and that are available in our data centers. Let me start by making an important point about our portfolio of services and our data centers. Because of the way the OVHcloud US entity has been set up, we're able to deliver all cloud services that you will find on our website in the US, of course, but also in most of OVHcloud data centers. Actually, all of them, except for now, Singapore and Sydney. This is an important point that you may want to keep in mind, especially if you want to manage your whole park of servers from the same account and use our private virtual networks via rack to connect all your resources. Starting with our dedicated servers, we have some great configuration available to address a large range of needs. Our RISE servers are our most affordable dedicated options. Our BV servers are very unique, as mentioned earlier. Our best value bare metal servers feature the most stable environment, making it perfect for processing large volumes of data. For under $100 per month, you get 16 cores, 256 gigabytes of RAM, and that comes, of course, with unmetered bandwidth. It's a very unique combination that sells extremely well. Our game servers, based on AMD Ryzen CPU, are fast and come with our famous anti-DDoS mitigation service for free. It's the best on the market, according to a large game hosting provider. With our advanced servers, businesses can deploy their applications quickly on this versatile machine that fits most of their needs. It's worth mentioning that most of our machines are delivered in minutes in any data centers. Infrastructure, LAST, and HG are packed with powerful CPUs, VRAC, and customizable to build complex architectures. These servers are aimed at companies that requires computing power, storage, and network capacity adapted to distributed server clusters. This year, we also released back in May our new VPS 2020, our new generation of virtual private servers. This is the first time we release such a large variety of virtual private servers in our US data centers. Starting at $3.50 a month with our Starter VPS, everybody can now afford to start a blog or a website in minutes. Value, essentials, and comfort offer more resources for your larger deployments. You can quickly deploy your own Minecraft instance or any popular OS we propose in a couple of clicks. Finally, our Elite instance is the most powerful VPS we offer. 8 cores, it can be upgraded to 32 gigabytes of RAM with up to 640 gigabytes of NVMe disk. Enjoy. With our brand new Premier hosted private cloud, you get to build your own private data center in the cloud. This is the perfect solution for any businesses who need to process sensitive data that require strict security, confidentiality, and a dedicated scalable infrastructure. This product combines the power of next-generation Intel hardware with VMware technology to deliver fully isolated, dedicated environment that can handle the most critical workloads. The first Premier order always comes as a pack with 2 redundant hosts and 2 data stores. We also have vSAN versions that come with local NVMe storage. Here again, there are no egress and no ingress fees. You have unmetered bandwidth already fully included in the monthly price. Our Premier HPC is also a prime candidate to offer backup and disaster recovery services using our integrated solution from our partners, Veeam and Zerto. As mentioned earlier in this session, we have now 2 public cloud regions available in the US. US East VA in Virginia and US West OR in Oregon. Developer can now easily build a scalable, reliable native cloud application at a fraction of the cost that they will pay with other providers. What is specific about our public cloud is that it comes with guaranteed resources. No noisy neighbor problem with OVHcloud. Our public cloud comes also with a wide range of storage services, object and block and cloud archive. It supports VRAC, of course, to create your own virtual network between your resources, public, private cloud, or dedicated servers. What's coming next? Good question. Plenty of interesting and exciting new products. Next on our list of products to deploy is Kubernetes. We have been watching very closely all the progress made by the OVHcloud managed Kubernetes team over the past few months, and we are finally ready to bring this highly demanded product to the US. Kubernetes is one of the most widely used container orchestration tools on the market. It is used by companies of all sizes. It can be used to deploy applications, scale them up, and make them more resilient, even in hybrid or multi-cloud infrastructure. The managed Kubernetes solution is powered by OVHcloud public cloud instances. With OVHcloud load balancers and additional disk integrated into it, you can host any kind of workloads on it with total reversibility. The internal components of the solutions are deployed, hosted, and monitored by our teams. They are also upgraded free of charge. This way, you can focus on the containers and services associated with your core business while getting the very most out of the Kubernetes ecosystem. This product should be available by the end of the year or early 2021. Managed bare metal essentials powered by VMware. With that, you will be able to take advantage of a virtual VMware-based, fully integrated environment to deploy your applications and website in minutes without worrying about physical or virtual infrastructure. Our team will ensure the configuration and optimization of the platform and its maintenance. You will be able to host your most critical application in complete peace of mind. The Managed Bare Metal platform Essentials, the first release that we will deliver, will benefit from a 99.7% SLA, guaranteeing high availability of your business applications. You will be able to host any type of application from the simplest to the most demanding on this 100% dedicated hardware infrastructure. Our managed bare metal solutions, Essentials, is designed to evolve with your needs. Delivered with 2 hosts and 2 data stores, you will be able to add and remove resources in minutes from the vSphere interface or the OVHcloud control panel. We'll have access to all VMware features and use templates created specifically by our teams to deploy multiple virtual machines quickly. A wide range of distributions and operating systems will be available. We cannot wait to show you the first flavors of our managed bare metal Essentials powered by VMware. You will love it, I'm sure. Our bare metal product range will welcome some new configurations to address the needs from our most demanding customers. Scale and high grade are coming in 2021. They will nicely complete the existing family that we already have in our data centers. Quickly about scale, we will offer new AMD EPYC and Intel Xeon Gold processors, large NVMe drive, and configuration with up to 1.5 terabyte of memory. GPU will also be available with the scale range. I'm very excited about this new scale range coming up next year. High-grade servers will also come with new AMD and Intel CPU. This range will address all needs related to hyper-converged infrastructure and will be available with a vast choice of virtualization options ready to install. Next year, our dedicated servers will also come with a large variety of pre-installed software solutions, so you can set up this machine in minutes. What's also very specific about scale and high grade is that they will come with a very fast network that will allow bandwidth that we have never yet proposed at OVHcloud. Of course, our cloud services and data centers adhere to various security standards and certifications. I invite you to review for each cloud service what compliance and certifications apply to it. So, do you want to expand or start your business in the US? It's very easy. 3 steps. First, visit us. Our website, us.ovhcloud.com. Second, create an OVHcloud US account. Even if you have an OVHcloud account either in Canada or in Europe, you need your own OVHcloud US account to purchase in the US. 3, try our bare metal and private servers, VPS, public cloud services, either on the East or on the West data centers. And then from there, grow your business with us. I hope that you enjoyed this session. And right now, I would be very happy to go chat with you live if you are available. Thank you.